Hello students, in the previous video we had studied about the mild channel and the three types of profile M1, M2 and M3. So in this video we will be studying about the steep slope and the various profile for the steep slopes. So first of all हमको समझना है कि steep slope क्या है. Steep slope is a slope in which y naught is less than yc, where yc is critical depth and y naught is normal depth of flow, and s naught is less than sc. That means जो bed slope है it will be less than the critical slope. Okay, so these are two conditions for the steep slope. Now we will draw a steep slope. Having bed slope s naught. Now here you can see y naught is less than yc, so this line will be yc for yc and this line will be for y naught, yani this will be NDL normal depth line and this will be CDL critical depth line. So there are three reasons: first reason, second reason and third reason. First reason is above CDL and the profile in this region will be designated as S1 profile. The region 2 is between CDL and NDL, so profile in this region will be designated as S2, and the third region is below NDL and up to the bed level. So profile made in this region, profile in this region will be designated as S3. So there are three regions: S1, S2 and S3, and three profiles we will get in this steep slope. So first of all हम लोग क्या करेंगे, we will see that formula by which we are making the profile. That will be dy over dx s naught bracket 1 minus y naught upon y to the power 10 by 3 divide by 1 minus yc over y to the power 3. So अगर हम फर्स्ट रीजन की बात करें स्टीप प्रोफाइल में, जो फर्स्ट रीजन था दैट वाज अबव CDL. सो अगर मेरी वाटर डेप्थ अबव CDL है दैट मीन्स आवर वाटर डेप्थ y will be greater than yc and yc is greater than y naught. So this will be the relation of depth for first region. First region में y will be greater than yc and yc will be greater than y naught. Now we will see how this relation will affect dy over dx. So y naught upon y will be less than 1 and yc over y will also be less than 1. Y naught upon y will be less than 1, yc over y is also less than 1. Less than 1, less than 1. So dy over dx will be positive. Dy over dx will be positive. And positive indicates backwater curve. So in S1 profile the curve will be backwater curve. Okay, now we will draw that backwater curve. So for drawing the backwater curve we need to apply the boundary condition. So first boundary condition will be y is equals to infinity and second boundary condition will be y is equals to yc. This boundary condition applicable in the region 1. Okay, if y is equals to infinity it means y naught upon y will be 0. Y naught upon y will be y naught upon y will be 0, something upon infinity. So dy over dx will be equal to S naught. if y is equals to infinity. Now if y is equals to yc, then yc over yc will be equal to 1. So 1 minus yc over y का whole cube will be equal to 0, and something upon 0 is infinity, and so dy over dx will be equal to infinity. That means theta at yc will be equal to 90 degree. So the water will be meeting at imaginary 90 degree at CDL. So now we will draw the S1 profile. This was the slope, this was NDL, and this was CDL, and here is infinity. Suppose कर लीजिए this is the water depth y. Okay, so at infinity the slope of water was S0, and at CDL the slope of water was 90 degree. So we will join these two curves and we will get the S1 profile. This is the S1 profile. Here you can see it is the S1 profile which is being shown in the figure. Okay, so now we will see the S2 profile. In S2 profile, the relation between y will be y will be greater than y naught, but at the same time y will be less than yc. So y naught upon y, since y is greater than 1, so it will be less than 1. It will be y naught upon y will be less than 1, and yc over y it will be greater than 1. Since y is less than yc, so yc over y will be greater than 1. Okay, so dy over dx, since y over y naught, since y naught over y was less than 1, so it will be positive, and yc over y is greater than 1, so it will be negative. So dy over dx will be negative. So negative indicates draw down curve. Now we will draw the profile. For that we need to apply the boundary condition. So first boundary condition will be y is equals to yc, and second boundary condition y will be equal to y naught. When we put y is equals to yc, dy over dx will be infinity, and theta will be equal to 90 degree. And if y is equals to y naught, then dy over dx will be equals to 0. So at NDL, water meet tangentially. At CDL, water will be having a slope of 90 degree. Now we will draw the S2 profile. This is the bed slope, this is NDL, and this is CDL. Okay, water will be meeting at tangentially at NDL, and at CDL it was at 90 degree. Now we will join these two curves, and this will be the S2 profile. Here you can see this is the S2 profile. Water is meeting at tangentially at NDL, and water is meeting at 90 degree at CDL. This will be approximately 90 degree. So this is the profile for S2 profile in the region 2 of steep slope. Now we will see the S3 profile. For S3 profile, first we need to calculate dy over dx. For that, the condition will be y will be less than y naught, and y naught will be less than yc. So y naught upon y will be greater than 1, and yc over y will also be greater than 1. So dy over dx will be positive upon positive. sorry, dy over dx will be negative upon negative. That means dy over dx will be positive, and positive indicates backwater curve. Okay, now we will apply the boundary condition to draw the S3 profile. Boundary condition will be, first will be y is equals to y naught, and second will be y is equals to 0. Now we will draw the S3 profile. To draw the S3 profile, first we will see y is equals to y naught. When we put y is equals to y naught, then dy over dx will be equal to 0. It means water will be meeting tangentially at NDL in this region. And if y is equals to 0, that means dy over dx will be 90 degree, because dy over dx will be infinity and theta will be equal to 90 degree. It means water will be meeting at 90 degree at bed slope. Okay, yeah, at bed. So now we will draw the S3 profile. To draw the S3 profile, we need to mark the NDL and CDL line. So at NDL water was meeting tangentially, and at CDL at bed the water is meeting at 90 degree. Now we will join this, so this will be the S3 profile. Here you can see in this diagram, S3 profile has been shown. At NDL water is meeting tangentially, and at the bed the water is approximately meeting at theta is equals to 90 degree. So this is the S3 profile. So in the next class we will be seeing the critical slope and profile for critical slopes. Thank you.